Okay guys, this is totally awesome. I haven't seen anything like this before. It is a mini version of Jenga, like a Jenga tower. It's quite small. Picked it up actually at the dollar store. And from what it looks like, it's pretty good. They normally sell online for about $8, but I picked it up for $1 and I wanted to review it. See if it's made out of real wood, or I'm pretty sure it is, but be interesting. Tumbling Tower, that's what they call it. Kind of like a knockoff version of Jenga. Or maybe that's the original name. Jenga is just so well known. Unboxing art. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little haul of Jenga pieces. Huh. Alright, anything else? Or is that it? Okay, I guess that's it. I mean, you don't really expect that much for... Oh, they actually have printing down at the bottom. Let's see if that comes into focus. There it is. Alright. Well, that's actually quite neat. Just clip that side real quick. Doing this one-handed, it's always difficult. Especially trying to keep things in focus. Should really start using my other cameras, but I don't like pulling all that data off and re-editing and pulling data off everything. There's so many different cameras I have to keep track of. Anyway. Oh, so they are real wood. Actually quite light. When they were in the box, they were actually pretty heavy. Anyway, I guess you can get a Jenga tower kit for $1. So, if you see this at the dollar store, I'd recommend picking it up. I'm not going to show a game done with it. It's just a basic thing. There's no need for a review for that. The pieces aren't going to snap, I don't think. Nope, they're not going to snap, so they shouldn't, at least. Anyway. That's a model number, I guess. Very interesting. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. Really cool. Tumbling Tower. Very interesting. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, peace out.